Hey, hope everybody's doing well. Mike here from Equity Sense, and I'd like to talk to you quickly about the upcoming Forex class. We've had quite a number of people actually asking us about this, so we're in the midst of organizing the class, and it's tentatively scheduled for Monday night, May 25th, around 6 p.m. Pacific time, so that's 9 p.m. Eastern time for you East Coasters. So it's a trader class, meaning it's going to be one of those very quick-paced or fast-paced classes that we have, and that the class takes typically under 10 hours. And I'm just here to give you a quick overview of what's happening. So we've already started that foundations class on Wednesday, May 20th, and that went pretty well. Corey's handling it. So this class coming up on Monday will be handled by me. And again, 10 hours, depending on everybody's schedule and people who are joining, we'll sort out what the frequency is each week. But it should be done, on one weekend or on 2 weekends, depending on the availability of all the students. Maximum number of people is 5, so we're not gonna take more than that. The traders class, again, is geared towards people who want to hit the ground running, who've had some exposure in Forex. So I want to remind everybody this is a Forex class, not a futures or a stocks class. So we're going to be concerned primarily on the G7 currencies and the major pairs anyway. And so what you have here in front of you is the overall foundations class structure. So the Forex, the trader class, it only deals with the ones that are highlighted here, which are the technical strategy setups and coaching. So coaching is about a month after the class. During the course of the class, you'll get trade signals from Equity Sense, so for Forex and all that stuff. And of course, you'll have the opportunity to sign up after if you find that you need, our trade signals and all that stuff. But for the good thing is Forex is a 24-hour trading vehicle. It's it opens at 4 p.m. Eastern on a Sunday night, and it closes at 4 p.m. on a Friday afternoon. So we typically, every time zone has a major Forex pair. So it really allows a lot of people to trade anytime, anywhere. The great thing is that it's very liquid, meaning I'm not gonna go beyond what's already known, but like there's over $1 trillion of daily turnovers in Forex, and depending on you could easily day trade it, or you can do swing trades and all that stuff. Brokers are plentiful as well, so you're not going to have to worry about that, and there's no PDT. So if you're from the US, you'd be aware of what a PDT is. If you're not from the US, you can ignore what I'm saying about PDT. So again, that's the structure that we have so far. Classes are class documents will be provided for sure. Classes are all recorded and available to you for as long as you want it. It's accessed on demand online, and again, you will have the ability to ask us all questions during the class and also during the coaching period to ensure that you understand everything that we've talked about. So that's what's different about trader classes. They're geared towards people who have some experience and just want to hit the ground running and go and trade right off the get-go. That's basically what they're for. Whereas the foundations class, they're for people who have had little to no experience in trading in general and need that structure and that really good foundation for the market. So again, it's still the schedule is still tentative. I mean, it depends on the availability of everybody. If at all possible, we can be flexible with taking in different sort of groups, but I don't take more than 5 people per class just because I want to be able to make sure that I cater to all the needs of all the students. Again, just to kind of give you an idea of what the trader course is, again, that's basically what we're going to concentrate on. You will have the tools to be able to trade for sure and understand what's going on. And the great thing is you'll be also doing this, you'll have a chance to do it under the guidance of myself and all the other people at Equity Sense. The cost so far, because of the summer, it's going to be $2,500 per person. So If you are interested, definitely let us know. Just go to www.equitysense.weebly.com, and then there's a contact page there anyway. Or contact any of us on Twitter at GEQSense and myself at MEQSense or at EquitySense, really. So just one word, at EquitySense. You can just basically tweet at us and ask us questions, or just, if you want to be more private, obviously, just send us an email. If you have any questions, like I said, just we're basically available to answer any of that, and we will be doing all these classes over the course of the summer. So we'll take what we can get in terms of students this summer, and up until September, and then after September we'll probably wind this down as we go back to normal market volatility. So I hope you'll take advantage of this trading blitz that we have for this summer. It's a really, I think, it's a really good opportunity for everybody to just kind of like take a break, especially with the market volatility winding down a bit. So it's a good time to kind of just step back and maybe learn a new thing, or just relearn some things that you may have lost on over the course of your trading career. Thank you for your time, and hope you guys have a wonderful day.